Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I have 5 properties to show you guys. Everything will be under 23.5 million. So let's jump right into it. Today is going to be a quick and sweet video. The first property I want to show you, I think, is an absolute steal, and this one is located in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, my home parish. This one is listed for 21.5 million Jamaican dollars, or the equivalent of about US $139,692. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse, and you guys, this one is really quite spacious. I was surprised at the price for this one, I'm not going to lie, especially for it being in St. Anne, Discovery Bay at that. So I really think this one is a great find. So I had to show you first in the video. We had to start it off with a bang. Okay, so the realtor did classify this one as a fixer-upper. So if we take a look, we can see where, you know, the kitchen cabinets are a bit dated and the countertop and all of that. So you will have to go in and do some renovations with that one, bring it back alive, you know, make it look refreshed and glorious again, because it is a bit dated. All right, it is a bit dated, but it's not bad at all. For a lot of fixer-uppers that I see, this one just needs some reno, guys. Just a facelift, but not, I don't think it's a big project at all. So that was the powder room that you just saw. You know, you probably go and add new sink, new cabinetry for that one. Same thing with the bathrooms upstairs, new sink, new cabinetry. Maybe you'd want to go ahead and add a glass enclosure in the shower area. Those are the bedrooms. I think the space in the bedrooms are great, you guys. I like how open everything looks. I like the natural light coming in. I like, you know, the windows, like the AC unit. I like I like it. I even love the closet space that they have here. Look at all this closet space. Tell me in the comments down below if you think this one is a good one, because I really think it is, and I do think it's going to sell really quickly. So I had to come on and show it to you guys. So if you're interested in this one, you guys, you're going to reach out to Carrie and Tyrell. I will link everything for this property in the description box down below. Once you click the link, you will see her contact information, and you can reach out to the realtor and speak to her about viewing this property. The second property I want to show you is this apartment located on Kensington Crescent in the Kingston 5 area. So that is the new Kingston area. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment listed for 20 million Jamaican dollars, or about the equivalent of US $129,946. So this location is very central. As you know, New Kingston is a big business district, very important in Kingston. You have lots of businesses located there, places for employment, lots of job opportunities. There are a lot of persons working in Kingston, and you know, lots of restaurants, lots of bars. You're close to schools, you're close to hospitals. Very, very central location in Kingston. So this one, of course, is going to need a renovation here and there. That stove area that you saw, maybe, you know, you'd want to speak to a contractor about like opening up the space if it's possible, because that's kind of, you know, small right there. The only drawback to this apartment that I'm thinking is that it does look really small, but you know, if you're interested in it, of course, you know, you can go in, do your viewing. So you're going to reach out to the realtor Moya Stevenson. I will link everything in the description box down below, and that's where you'll find her contact information if you are interested in that one on Kensington Crescent. Let's jump on over to our friends in St. Catherine to look at this property being showcased in Union Estate in Twickenham Park, St. Catherine. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment. It's listed for 23 million Jamaican dollars, or about US $149,438. As you guys know, Twickenham Park is a gated community. It offers 24-hour security. This property does feature a water heater and a jacuzzi. I think for the price, for it being a 3-bedroom, I think it's coming in at unexpected price. The property, as you can see, it's fairly new, right? So you don't have much work to do if you even have anything to do at all. It's quite move-in ready. Yeah, so just possibly to go in and do your own personal touches with this one. But yeah, nice community, safe space, it seems, you know, nice clean open concept living and dining area, nice kitchen. That's all I have to say about it. This one is just pretty straight up forward. 23 million, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, Union Estate, Twickenham Park, St. Catherine. So back over into Kingston, let's take a look at this apartment here in Roehampton Drive in the Kingston 19 area. As you guys may know, Roehampton Drive is close by to the Red Hills area, Havendale area, right? Nearby Price Smart, all of that, really close to that area. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It's listed for 23.5 million Jamaican dollars, or around the US equivalent of $152,687. This apartment is being sold fully furnished, right? It does have an in-unit laundry, it has patio space, and apartment features an automatic gate, and you have 1 parking space. Now, I think Roehampton is a great area. You know, I've showcased an apartment, I think about 2. I've done 2 tours of apartment complexes in the Roehampton area. You know, lots of new developments are always going up around there. Really nice area. You'll be close by to, as I said, you know, Red Hills, the Price Smart area, Havendale, and even pretty close by to Constant Spring as well. So that's really good for accessibility and, you know, being in a central area. So just taking a look at the pictures here, I do see where you possibly have some issues with leaks. So you definitely want to ask about that. I do think the tiles are quite hideous too. So I definitely would consider, you know, changing that if it's something that you're interested in. The bedrooms do look a bit small, so I was apprehensive about showing it to you guys, but I do think that for the area, this is a, you know, justified price. It's a nice, like, community type areas, and there aren't a lot of places in Kingston where you get this nice community feel, and I do think that Roehampton is one of those areas. Like, this is somewhere that I would consider living in. So yeah, so if you're interested in this one here, again, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 23.5 million Jamaican dollars, being sold fully furnished in the Roehampton area. I will leave the link in the description bar down below, where you can reach out to the realtor and, you know, why can't I talk? And, you know, I'm not going to start over and schedule a viewing for this property here. Also, tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. Yeah, and that's all I have to say about this one. The 5th and final property I have to show you in today's video is this one located in Montclair Heights, Maypen, Clarendon. This one is listed for 22 million Jamaican dollars, or about the equivalent of US $142,941. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. It features security cameras, a water tank, you know, a nice balcony patio, well, more than a balcony, an actual veranda patio area. As you can see, this one is, you know, a bit older. Not, I wouldn't say, all right, it's a bit older, let's just say that, right? So you do have to go in and, you know, make your renovations, you know, modifications, bring it to life. But yeah, the bathroom is going to need some work. It's a bit dated. The bedrooms, not bad, you know, it can, yeah, the bathrooms are going to need a lot of work, because a lot of these fixtures are quite dated. But yeah, I definitely think it's workable, so I had to, you know, show it to you guys. This is at the wash area. I do like, you know, the outside of the property. Yeah, nice, charming, cute home. So if you're interested in this one, you guys, I will link it down in the description box down below. Please tell me your comments and what you thought about this property here. What do you think about the $22 million asking price for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom in Clarendon? Do you think it's fair? You know, the decision is always up to the buyer what they think. You know, we can only showcase. And I do think I do like the kitchen space. It's quite open, it's quite airy, and you know, when you go in and you make your renovations, I think, you know, can really bring this one to life. There is like the formal dining area right there. If you want, probably open that up, get rid of that arch, you know, whatever you want to do with it. So you can take a look at this one, you can consider this one, you can reach out to the realtor if you're interested. Again, it will be linked in the description box down below. I feel like I can't say that enough. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I have a ton of other properties that I'm going to show you, so expect another video again in this week. Don't forget to give this video a like. Please subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on all socials. That's TikTok and Instagram at Safe Haven. You can follow my personal TikTok and my personal Instagram at Britonny Haye. Thank you guys so much for watching and continuing to watch. Please share this video with someone who's, you know, searching for property, you know. So thank you guys, and until my next video, bye guys.